Good morning, children. Welcome back to online class, history class. So, which one in the sense that eighth lesson it's going on nationalism, history lesson 8, nationalism and the Gandhian phase. Okay. Yes, in this lesson, what are the things I taught already? I am going to discuss with you. Yes. So, what are the things we learned in the sense, Gandhian part is Gandhian phase of India's struggle for independence. Gandhiji's policies of ahimsa and satyagraha we learned. Is it the non-violent struggles we learned, the non-violent struggles in Chambran as well as and against the Rowlatt Act, Rowlatt Satyagraha. Yes, so in order to protest against the Rowlatt Satyagraha, yes, that non-cooperation movement was started by Gandhiji in the year 1920. Yes, then emergence of radicals. Okay, Congress was divided into two, like that I told. Is it pro changes, no changes, like that, and I told. Then moreover, salt satyagraha, which was conducted in the year 1930. Yes, in Tamil Nadu, Sri Rajagobalachari conducted that salt satyagraha. He led a march from Trichy to Vedaranyam, like that in the last class I told. Yes, likewise, Gandhiji also, he had conducted a salt march against the British from, Sabarmati Ashram to Dundee. Yes, like that we learned. Is it? Then today's class, what are the things we are going to learn in the sense, round table conferences. Round table conferences. Yes, we are going to learn about the round table conferences. The next one, Gandhi Irvin Pact, as well as, renewal. Gandhiji renewed, otherwise restarted the civil disobedient movement, communal award and Pune Pact. Yes, then revolutionary activities, socialist movements, yes, that is Communist Party, yes, how it was established, how it was started in India. Yes, those things we are going to learn today. Portion. Okay, children. Yes. So first of all, you can take your book page number 95. Yes, page number 95. You can take it. Round table conferences. What is that round table conferences? What is the meaning in the sense? When the that which one? That salt satyagraha. That is a civil disobedient movement. Yes, when it was functioned. Okay, when it was functioned, the middle. Yes, the middle time. Yes, middle time in the sense around 1930. Yes, around 1930. The first round table conferences which was conducted at London in 1930. Yes. So that time, who was the British Prime Minister? One word answer, children. Who was the British Prime Minister in the year 1930? Around that time, in the sense, Ramsay MacDonald. Yes, this personality, he was the Britain Prime Minister. Yes, he proposed. Yes, he proposed a federal government. Yes, he proposed a federal government with the provincial autonomy. With the provincial autonomy. Yes, it's given in your book, children. You can listen. Okay, so the Ramsay MacDonald, yes, he proposed a federal government with the provincial autonomy. So the Congress people, did not attend did not attend the round table conferences because they were in the jail. Yes, because, around 1930, they were arrested by the British people. Okay, so the Congress people, they couldn't participate in the round table conferences which was conducted by the British in the year 1930. Yes, so 3 round table conferences are there totally. Okay, the first round table conferences which was conducted in the year 1930. Okay, the second round table conference which was conducted in the year 1931. The third round table conference which was conducted in the year 1932. Okay, the Congress, they did not participate because their members, they were in the jail. Okay, so the conference, without taking any decision, it was ended. Yes, which conference was ended? Yes, the first round table conferences was ended, like that I am telling. So 3 round table conferences were held, okay, at London in the year 1930, 31 and 32 respectively. Okay, so who was the Prime Minister in the sense? Ramsay MacDonald only was the Prime Minister of London or England or Britain Prime Minister. Yes, so this person only proposed a federal government with provincial autonomy. So the Congress people, they couldn't attend the round table conference, that is first round table conference, okay, because they were in the jail. Okay, so that's the thing. The next, what is given in the sense, Gandhi-Irvine Pact. Gandhi-Irvine Pact. So that time, who was the Viceroy of India in the sense? Lord Irwin. Yes, Lord Irwin. Yes, so this person only Viceroy. Yes, he had conducted the talk with Gandhiji, peaceful talk. Yes, because Gandhiji, no one attended that first roundtable conferences, no, which was held in London in the year 1930. So that's what, Gandhiji, that Lord Irwin, yes, he had conducted a peaceful talk with Gandhiji, yes, which was resulted in Gandhi-Irvine Pact. Yes, what was the result? Gandhi-Irvine Pact. Yes, Gandhi-Irvine Pact, one word answer, which month it was, which year it was signed in the sense on 5th March 1931 it was signed. Okay, so the British government also agreed because Indians need to participate. Any Congress people have to participate in that. Like that they felt. The British people agreed to the demands of the immediate. So what are the demands they were accepted? British accepted in the sense the immediate release of political prisoners. Okay, so not involved in violence. So those who are not involved in violence, they have to release from the jail, like that they were demanded. So return of confiscated land. Okay, confiscated in the sense kaipattapatta. Yes, that's a captured land. Okay, so return. Yes, everything they have to return back to the Indians. Then that during the time of the non-cooperation movement, some the government employees, government legislature, it was not functioned. Okay, so majority of them had resigned their job. So over them, lenient treatment should be there, like Gandhiji demanded to British. Okay, so British people also accepted that. Okay, accepted. So that only it is given here. So it also permitted the people of coastal villages to make salt for consumption. Yes, so for this only they were conducted the salt satyagraha, because British people, they were levied the taxes on the salt. The common people, they are using that salt. They were using that, but over that, they were levied the taxes now. So it was it was led to the salt satyagraha. Here it is given, it also permitted the people of coastal villages to make, they can prepare the salt for consumption, like that it is given. Okay, so they need not pay any tax amount. That's the meaning. And non-violent picketing. Yes, picketing in the sense, you people knows very well, strike only. Okay, yes, strike. Yes, the Congress people agreed. Okay, the Congress also agreed to suspend the civil disobedience movement. So temporarily it was stopped. Yes, which one was stopped? Salt satyagraha was stopped, because British government, what they did? Yes, here they were announced, yes, the coastal area people, they can prepare. Yes, they can make, like that it is given. See, they can make the salt for consumption. Yes, like that it is given. So, moreover, that British government, they were accepted all the demands of the Indians. So that, Gandhiji suspended that civil disobedience movement. Otherwise, salt satyagraha, temporarily it was suspended. Okay, suspended in the sense, stopped that time. Okay, yes. The next, what is given, children? You can check it your book, children. Yes, this one, that the second roundtable conferences. So Gandhiji, Gandhiji, what he demanded, everything it was accepted by the British. So that he agreed. Yes, he agreed to attend the second roundtable conference, which was conducted in the year 1931. Yes, 1931. So Gandhiji. So in that time, picture is given, second roundtable conferences, which was conducted in London. So Gandhiji was participated. Where is he? See, Gandhiji was participated. Okay, Gandhiji. Yes, Gandhiji was participated. So personality, you can check it, location. Yes, the next one, that in that time, second roundtable conferences, when it was going on, as they were telling, yes, separate electorates for minorities. Okay, so they were announced separate electorate, Tani Togudi. Okay, separate electorates for minorities. Yes, minorities, like that. At once, he came back. Who came back? He didn't like that Gandhiji. So that's what, he came back. When he entered into India, he was arrested by the British officers. Okay, so as a result, the second roundtable conference, it came to an end without taking any decision. Okay, so the next, what he did in the sense, when he came out from the jail, he restarted the salt satyagraha, otherwise civil disobedient movement. Yes, renewal, like that it is given now. Renewal in the sense, what is that? Renewal in the sense, restarted the civil disobedient movement. See, on returning to India, Gandhiji revived the civil disobedient movement. Revived in the sense, restarted. So this time, the government, we know very well about the British officers. That's what. This time the government was prepared to meet the resistance. Okay, resistance in the sense, தாக்குதலை சமாளிக்க. Okay, so we were prepared. Okay, Indians were prepared to meet the resistance. So the next, martial law, military law was imposed, and Gandhiji was arrested on 4th January 1932. Soon all the Congress leaders, they were arrested one by one. Gandhiji was arrested, as well as all the Congress leaders also were arrested. Yes, sorry, protest and picketing. Yes, protest, the same thing only. Yes, the protest and picketing by the people were suppressed with the force. Okay, yes, because Gandhiji renewed the civil disobedient movement, no, that is salt satyagraha, no, that's what. Okay, so in the meantime, what happened in the sense, third roundtable conferences, which was held in the same place, that is in London. Okay, from 17th November to 24th December in the year 1932. So just before I told, first roundtable conference, which year? 1930. Second roundtable 31. Third roundtable 32. Lord Irwin Pact 31. Lord Irwin Pact 31. Okay, so the 4 years we learned, 4 important years events we learned, children. The Congress did not participate because majority of the leaders, they were in the jail. So it had revived the civil disobedient movement. The Congress did not participate in the third roundtable conference. Yes, because we were started the civil disobedient movement. Okay, so the picture you can check it, children. This is the call. Yes, Gandhiji called the people for attend the civil disobedient movement. Yes, so restarted. Yes, that's the thing. The next, what is given in the sense, next what is given, communal award. Yes, communal award. What is meant by communal award? So the communal award, who was responsible in the sense, just before I told, when I gave the introduction, I told, who was Britain Prime Minister that time, that Ramsay MacDonald. Ramsay MacDonald. This person only was responsible for the announcement of communal award. Yes, in the year 1932. Yes, this is the timeline answer, children. Communal award, which year? 1932. So it provided, yes, it was in the second roundtable conferences itself, they told separate electorates for minorities. So that one they brought. Yes, that was the communal award. Sorry, it provided separate electorates to the minorities. Yes, so who are the people considered as a minorities in the sense? Muslims were considered minorities, Sikhs, Indian Christians, Anglo-Christians, and women. Yes, as well as the depressed classes. Depressed class leader that time, who in the sense, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, as well as M.C. Raja. Yes, so they were the depressed class leaders. They were strongly argued for the separate electorate. They like that demands of the British. Okay, so they thought, we can get to separate. If we get to separate electorate, we may get the political representation. Yes, political representation as well as power also we may get like that. Who thought? Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, the leader, was the leader of the depressed class. So on 20th September 1932, what happened in the sense, Gandhiji disliked, Gandhiji went on a fast. Okay, fasting. Okay, went on a fasting unto death. Okay, so till his death, against the separate electorates. British people policy, Britishers policy, it is dividing the people of India. So that's what, Gandhiji disliked. He went on a fast unto his death. Okay, so Madan Mohan Malaviya is some of the personalities. They were conducted the peace talk with Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Yes, whomever conducted the peace talk in the sense, Madan Mohan Malaviya, Rajendra Prasad, and others also conducted the talk with, peaceful talk with Ambedkar as well as MC Raja. MC Raja, in the sense, just before I told the leaders of the depressed class. Okay, the leaders of the depressed class. After that, what happened? After that intense negotiations, what happened in the sense? Yes, after intense negotiation, an agreement was arrived. Yes, in between Gandhiji as well as Ambedkar. So that pact was called as Pune Pact. That pact was called as what? Pune Pact. So what are the main aims are there in the sense? Instead of the separate electorate, okay, instead of separated, this one abandoned in the sense left. That plan, withdrawn. Okay, left, that is the meaning. Okay, abandoned in the sense left. The separate electorate, that principle was left. Instead of that, which principle joined in the sense, accepted in the sense, joint electorate. Joint electorate was accepted. Yes, joint electorate was accepted with the reservation of seats for the depressed classes. Okay, so that's the first point of the Pune Pact. It's very, very interesting, children. The next one, reserved seats for the depressed classes were increased is from 71 to 148. So, is in the legislature, in the central legislature also, 18% of the people, 18% of the seats were reserved for the depressed class. Okay, so these are the things are there, children. Pune Pact, which was signed in between Dr. B.R. Ambedkar as well as Gandhiji. Okay, so instead of a separate electorate, which one was accepted? Joint electorate was accepted. Yes, accepted. Moreover, the depressed classes seats also increased, reserved seats also increased. The numbers increased 71 to 148 seats. They are going to get. Who are going to get depressed class? In the central legislature also they can participate. 18% of the seats were reserved for the depressed class. Okay, so these are the things are the children. The next, what is given in the sense, this person, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Okay, is he is the father of our Indian Constitution. Okay, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar campaign. Yes, a campaign in the sense, strike against Poratam. Okay, so strike against the untouchability. Yes, Gandhiji devoted the next few years, yes, many years, 2 to 3 years, he sacrificed his life for the removal of untouchability. Yes, a removal of untouchability. So his engagement with, yes, his friendship, engagement in the sense here, his friendship with Dr. B.R. Ambedkar made a big impact. Okay, big impact on his ideas about the caste system. Okay, this person, he shifted. Is who? Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. He shifted his base, his ideas. Okay, his headquarter base in the sense headquarter is he shifted his base to the Satyagraha ashram at Wardha. Okay, Satyagraha ashram is he shifted. He, in the sense, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, he shifted his headquarter to the Satyagraha ashram at Wardha. Then he undertook all India tour he had conducted. Yes, all India tour in the sense called Harijan tour. Okay, so the depressed class area alone, he visited. Okay, who visited? Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. That was called as Harijan tour. Yes, he started the Harijan Sevak Sangh. Okay, Harijan Sevak Sangh is to work for the removal of all the discriminations. So he worked to promote for the education, cleanliness and hygiene and giving up liquor in the sense alcohol. Okay, among the depressed classes. So an important part of the campaign was the temple entry movement. Okay, temple entry movement. So temple entry day, which day in the sense, this is the timeline answer. January 8, 1933 was observed as a temple entry day. Okay, so depressed class people, in the previously, depressed class people, they were, refused. Okay, they were refused to enter into the, that temple. But later, after the, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar's, actions, they got a right to enter into the temple, depressed class people. Okay, so Here it is given this para, Harijan tour he made, as well as he started, which one? Harijan Sevak Sangh. Harijan Sevak Sangh. Yes, as well as, that temple entry day, which day in the sense 1933, January 8. Okay, children. Yes. The next what is given? Yes, next what is given in the sense under that 8.5 it is given. 8.5, 8.4. Yes, 8.4 in the sense Gandhiji's attitude. Okay, so he restarted the civil disobedient movement now. Okay, so moreover he had a little bitterness with Ambedkar early. Okay, but it was a change. Moreover, Ambedkar also he shifted his base to Satyagraha ashram at Wardha. Like that we learned one word answer. Okay, then under that 8.5, what are the things are given in the sense the beginnings of the socialist movement? Okay, beginnings of the socialist movement. So in this person, M.N. Roy. M.N. Roy, it is given in your book, children, page number 96. You can check it. This person, inspired by the Russian Revolution. Yes, in India, inspired by the Russian Revolution, which year it was took place in the sense 1917. 1917 it was took place. It took place. The Communist parties of India, was founded at Tashkent. CPI in the sense Communist Party of India. CPI. Communist Party of India was founded at Tashkent, Uzbekistan in now October month. Okay, 1920. Yes. Then who are the founders of the Communist Party of India in the sense? M.N. Roy. Yes, this personality. Then one more personality, two more personalities, that Abani Mukherjee and M.P.T. Acharya. Yes, these three personalities, they were joined together. They were established that Communist Party of India. Yes, they were the founding members. The British government, in India made vigorous efforts to suppress the British government. Why? They took a lot of efforts to suppress the communist movement. Yes. Then here it is given, foisting. What is the meaning? Foisting. Yes, under that, which heading is there is beginning of the socialist movement. Foisting in the sense force. Foisting in the sense, what is the meaning? Force a series of cases in the year 1920s. So in a further attempt, to elimination in the sense to reduce the threat of communism, M.N. Roy, S.A. Danche, Muzaffar Ahmad, Singaravelar, those personalities and all were arrested by the British and tried in the Kanpur conspiracy. Conspiracy in the sense plot, Sadi. Okay, PLOT. Yes, conspiracy. Okay, so they were involved. Okay, so they were forced to involve in the Kanpur conspiracy case of 1924. Okay, so that's the thing. The next one, that A part it is given foundation. Okay, foundation of Communist Party. Foundation of Communist Party. So the Communist Party, they were exposed to their true color. So that's what the British people disliked the communists. So the communists, what they did in the sense, they were spreaded their views, okay, against the British, as well as they were exposed to the true color of the British rule in India. Okay, so in India, they were exposed to the true color of the British people. Okay, so that's what British people disliked the communist. Okay, then moreover, they were formed a party of All India Communist Conference, which was held at Kanpur in the year 1925. So in that, All India Communist Conference, who gave the speech in the sense, M. Singaravelar gave the speech, presidential address it is given like that. Okay, so presidential address in the sense, what is that? He gave the speech, that's the meaning. It led to the founding of the Communist Party in India, in Indian soil, Party of India in Indian soil. So their efforts, eventually led to the establishment of All India Workers and Peasants Party in the year. So one word answer, timeline answer, in the year 1928. 1928, All India Workers and Peasants Party was established. Okay, so this much only it is given under this. The next one, revolutionary activities. In the lower classes, you might have learned, I think so, Bhagat Singh, Gurudev, yes, Rajguru, those people. Yes, more than that, some more personalities also we are going to learn under this para. Revolutionary activities in the sense, youths and all, they were disappointed. Okay, because Gandhiji, suspended the non-cooperation movement. No, suspended the non-cooperation movement. So that's what, Gandhi, the youths were disappointed. Disillusion like that it is given, disappointed. So that's what, youths, everyone joined together, and then they established Hindustan Republican Army, yes, in Kanpur in the year 1924. Yes, what was the reason? In the sense, to overthrow the colonial rule in the sense British rule by an armed rebellion, not by Satyagraha, not by Ahimsa, armed rebellion. Yes, likewise, they were planned, they were established Hindustan Republican Army in the year 1924. Okay, so that time, that 1925, around 1925, personalities, some more personalities, Ram Prasad, they were called as militant people, terrorist people. Okay, Ram Prasad Bismil. Okay, Ram Prasad Bismil, Ashfaqullah Khan, and others. The others, what they did in the sense, they held up a train. They were stopped the train. Okay, and the train fully, government money is there. They were looted that money. Okay, those people, they were looted the money. Yes, they were looted the money in. Moreover, in Kakori, yes, Kakori is the name of the village. It is located near where? Lucknow. Okay, Lucknow in the sense Uttar Pradesh area. Okay, Uttar Pradesh area. Yes. So Kakori case. Okay, Kakori case. Kakori is a village like that I said. It's located near Lucknow. Yes, they were arrested. Okay, they were arrested and tried in the Kakori conspiracy case. Okay, who were arrested? That I told now, Bismil. Yes, Bismil Asafullah Khan. Okay, so those people were arrested because they were looted the government money which was carried in a train. Okay, so that's the thing. Then 4 of them were sentenced to death while others were, they got a imprisonment. Okay, so you can check the picture here. This personality only, Bhagat Singh. Okay, Bhagat Singh, then Rajguru. Yes, Rajguru and Sugadev. Sorry, Bhagat Singh, Rajguru, Bhagat Singh, Rajguru and Sugadev. Yes, these personalities, they were hanged. Yes, hanged by the British government. Yes, so these people, what they did in the sense, they took a revenge. Okay, these people, Bhagat Singh, Sugadev, and their comrades, comrades in the sense, friends, page number 96 it is given. They were recognized the HRA. They were recognized HRA in the sense Hindustan Republican Army. Yes, Hindustan Republican Army. Yes, here it is given, children. Hindustan Republican Army in Punjab. In Punjab. So influenced by the social ideas, they renamed it as Hindustan Socialist Republican Association in the year 1928. Yes, these people, what they did, the 3 of them, in order to, protest against the Lala Lajpati Rai's death, because Lala Lajpati Rai, when he was participated in when he was participated in the non-cooperation movement, yes, a non-cooperation movement, he was assassinated by the police officer Sanders. Okay, police officer name what? Sanders. Okay, so in order to assassinate that person, yes, Sanders, a police officer responsible for the Lathi charge. Okay, last class I told, I think so, children. Because of the Lathi charge only, Lala Lajpati Rai, Lion of Punjab, he lost his life. Yes, so who was responsible? Sander only responsible. He was a police officer. So in order to kill him, these people, they had a plan. Okay, so as per that, they were killed that, that police officer Sander, as well as Bhagat Singh, as well as Dutt, okay, BK Dutt, through the smoke bomb. Okay, through the smoke bomb is inside the Central Legislative Assembly in the year 1929. Moreover, they were shouted. Okay, so they threw the bombs inside the Legislative Assembly, in the sense Parliament. Okay, in the year 1929, they were shouted, Inqilab Zindabad, like that they were shouted. And moreover, long live the proletariat. What is meant by proletariat? In the sense, workers. Proletariat in the sense, what is that? Workers. So Inqilab Zindabad as well as long live proletariat, like that they were shouted. Whomever shouted, the B.K. Tatta as well as Bhagat Singh. Okay, so along with the Rajguru was arrested and sentenced to death. So Bhagat Singh's daring and encourage fired the imagination of youth across India. Yes, imagination of youth across India, and he became popular, yes, across India, across our country. Yes, that's the thing, children. Then they were against the British attitude. That's all. They were against the British attitude. Yes. The next, what is given in the sense, Surya Sen. Yes, Surya Sen, like that it is given now. Yes, Surya Sen, who was he in the sense, one of the revolutionary against the British only. They were done everything. Okay, so armory, it is given here. Chittagong is the name of the place. It is located in Assam area. Okay, that armory in the sense, the weapons and all they used to keep now that place. Okay, armory in the sense, weapons and all they used to keep now that place. Okay, so here in the year 1930 April month, the Chittagong armory raid was carried out by Surya Sen as well as and his followers. Okay, this persons, what they did in the sense is, this man and his followers, what they did in the sense, they were captured the armories in the sense, just before only I told, they were used to keep the weapons. Okay, in Chittagong. Okay, armories in Chittagong, and proclaimed a provisional revolutionary government. Yes, they were proclaimed, they were announced provisional revolutionary government. So they survived for 3 years raiding the government institutions. Yes, what was their work in the sense? Raiding the government institutions. Yes, 1933. Yes, in the year 1933, Surya Sen. Yes, this person was caught. Caught in the sense, what is that? This is the past tense of catch, and hanged after a year. Yes, because this personality, some personalities, they were looted. Some revolutionary people, they were looted the money, government money, like that we learned. This person, what he did in the sense, he totally damaged the weapons keeping place that is called as armory. Yes, he was captured that armory in Chittagong. Okay, so that was the reason. Okay, so moreover he raided government institutions. So that's the thing. The next one, left movement. Yes, what is meant by left movement? Yes, the left movement. That is the communist parties. Okay, that's the communist parties. The communist parties, the left movement in the year 1930s. 1930s, in the sense, all knows very well, as a great depression was occurred. Okay, in all over the world. Okay, because of the great depression, each and every people were suffered. The government were suffered. The people they have to pay much taxes to the government. Okay, likewise and all, we suffered. So around 1930s, the Communist Party of India, they had gained the strength in view of economic crisis caused by so that time only the people they thought that the Communist Party may best like that. Okay, so Britain transmitted the effects. So British people, everyone suffered because of the great economic depression. Okay, so they were what they did in the sense, they were transmitted the effects of the depression to its colonies. So we are one of the colony of British. So we people also suffered like that, they are telling. So that time it reflected in the decline totally. Prices and all reduced, agricultural prices were reduced. The governmental measures that included forcible collection. The government forced to collect the taxes. Okay, collect the taxes, increase the taxes twofold due to a 50% fall in agricultural prices. Okay, the withdrawal of money in circulation, retrenchment. What is meant by retrenchment? In the sense, a reduction of costs. Is a reduction of costs. That's the meaning. Retrenchment of staffs and expenditure on development works. Everything fall down. Okay, because of the great economic depression. Yes, here some of the pictures are given. Some of the leaders' pictures. Communist leaders. Jay Prakash Narayan. Yes, Jay Prakash Narayan, who in the sense, this person, Jay Prakash Narayan. Yes, this personality. Sorry, once, wait. Yeah, this person J. Prakash Narayan. The next one Acharya Narendra Dev. Acharya Narendra Dev. Yes, the last one, Minno Masani. Minno Masani. Yes, so these three personalities, they were the communist leaders. Okay, so they were the supporters of the, that workers, industrial workers. Okay, the Communist Party, they were fighting for the cause of the peasants. Yes, peasants as well as the industrial workers, because they got very less income, less wages, and moreover, majority of them, without a job, they were suffered. Okay, so and therefore, the communist people, they were supported, no, supported the industrial workers. That's what, that British people, they were cancelled, otherwise they were banned. Yes, the Communist Party in the year 1934, the Congress Party. So that time, which party was considered as the, that good party, in the sense, the Congress Party, Indian National Congress, as a movement with a wide spectrum of political leanings ranging from the extreme left to the extreme right, welded in the sense, exercised together the goal of Swaraj, emerged as a powerful nation. So Congress was emerged as a powerful nation because it has the goal Swaraj. Okay, so in the year 1934, the Congress Socialist Party was formed by Jayaprakash Narayan, Acharya Narendra Dev, and Minno Masani. Yes, Minno Masani. So these three personalities, they were established the Congress Socialist Party. The Congress Socialist Party, what is that? In the sense, these three people, they were involved themselves in the Congress Party. Okay, in the Congress Party. Yes. So this much only, children. Yes, 8.5 over. Yes, till 8.5 I taught. Okay, we can mark the question answer. Yes, match the following as well as that Roman letter 5, that is 2 mark alone we can mark. Okay, children. Yes, take your book, all of you. Question page, take it. Question page, take it, children. Question page in the sense 104, take it. So in the next class, I will give that choose the best answer, then remaining answers. Remaining in the sense Roman letter 1, 2, 3. Yes, Rowlatt Act. Yes, a Rowlatt Act in the sense that is considered as a black act. Number 1. Rowlatt Act in the sense Black Act. Non-cooperation movement in the sense surrender of all titles. Number 2. Yes, number 2. Government of India Act of 1919. Yes, at this time only diarchy was introduced. 3. Diarchy was introduced. 3. Then Communist Party of India. Yes, just before I told, M.N. Roy was established Communist Party of India. Then 16th August 1946. That one, this one, I did not teach, children. Anyway, you can mark it. Later I will teach. Direct Action Day. That is the answer. Okay. So this much only, children. You can check it and then mark it. The next one, Roman letter 5. Roman letter 5, Jalian, the first 2 answers you marked, I think so. So third answer onwards I am going to tell. Page number I am going to tell, children. Page number. Question number 3. Yes, question number 3, page number 95. Page number 95. Then question number 4, 93. 93. Question number 5, 94. Question number 6, 96 and 97. 97. Pune Pact 96. The last question 96. Okay. So this is the page number, children. This is 5. Okay. This is 5, children. 95. Okay. We can take the page number 95. Page number 95 you can take it. I told already many times, point wise only you have to write like that. Okay. Please be follow. Page number 95. Page number 95. Roman letter 95 or 93. Yeah, page number 95. Why did Gandhiji withdraw the non-cooperation movement? Why? What is the reason? 5-3, sorry. Yeah, 95 page number. Gandhi Irvin fact para, first line onwards till last before first line, second line, last before second line. Last before in the sense one picture is given under the second round table conferences. Okay, above the picture the sentences are there. Okay, above the picture. Okay, that is 5-3 answer. 5-3 answer. Then Simon Commission. Simon Commission page number 93. Next one, page number 93. Simon Commission 93. Boycott of Simon Commission para, first line onwards till boycott the commission. Go back Simon, like that picture is given now. Above the picture the line is there. To boycott the commission. 5-4. Next one, fifth one, Purana Swaraj. Purana Swaraj, page number 94. Page number 94, Purana Swaraj. First line, first para. 8.4 started now. Meanwhile, no need. Okay, first line, some congressmen onwards till sixth line was declared as the goal. 5-5. The next one, 5-6 answers, 96 and 97. Page number 96, take it everyone. Page number 96. Yeah, under the Bhagat Singh Rajguru Sukadev picture, it is given 5-6. It started Bhagat Singh onwards. Page number 96, last para, Bhagat Singh onwards till that para end, across India. Then Pune Pact, page number 96. Same page number only. Here it is given. First para you can check it. Page number 96, first para. Two blue color dot is there. Square box is there. See, the principle of separate electorate was abundant, like that it is given. Two para also you have to learn. Okay, children. Yes, so this much only. Learn as well as write well the exam. Okay, point wise you have to write everything, not a para wise, point wise. Match the following answers, so should be straight. Choose the best answer as well as match the following. Need not write the questions and all you have to short. Okay, make it as the shortest one question. Okay, for example, what is Purana Swaraj, like that one question is there, in the sense a heading, you should write Purana Swaraj, that's all. More than that you need not write anything. Okay, children, learn. Okay, yes, thank you, children.